Introducing the Ask Cindy mopping system and its telescopic handle, along with the microfiber mopping pad. Wet it in your solution. Squeeze it out, drop it down. Easy velcro attaching. Now you're ready to mop your floor surface. Mop close. This microfiber pad will not overwet your floor surfaces, edges, and corners. It also maneuvers and swivels around corners very nicely. Adjust your handle to your choosing. You can mop close or from afar. The microfiber pad also does double duty. It picks up small particles left behind after vacuuming or sweeping. The microfiber pad is machine washable and dry. The magic of microfiber.